Capturing stunning visuals, let's talk about the perfect camera settings. First, aperture. This controls depth of field. A low number, like f28, creates a shallow depth of field, blurring the background. Great for portraits. A high number, like f16, keeps everything in focus, ideal for landscapes. Next, use your shutter speed to find the correct exposure. Then, there is ISO, the sensitivity of your camera's sensor to light. Lower ISO, like 100, provides the cleanest image. Higher ISO, like 3200, is for low light but can introduce noise. Then, remember that all three are working together. Setting your shutter speed right is key to a clean image. You want to avoid overexposure, which means your image is too bright and loses detail. Be careful to avoid underexposure, which makes your image too dark. Details will be lost in the shadows. Play with these settings: aperture, shutter speed, and ISO. Together it's best to get the right exposure and find your creative vision.